The sounds of peacocks waking up a neighborhood in the San Gabriel Valley. Some pretty loud shrieking going on there. They've been roaming this neighborhood for like 100 years, but leaders are about to take some action against the birds because of so many complaints. The LA County Board approved a motion to draft an ordinance making it illegal to feed the peacocks. In the meantime, animal control is going to capture the birds and then relocate them. So that begs the question, if they've been there for 100 years and some of those neighbors just moved in, maybe the peacocks should form a committee and say, hey, you guys, if you're going to complain, then just leave because we were here first.